Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you the tips to fast laptop speed in Windows 11 laptop. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do on your Windows keyboard, what you need to do is to press Windows plus R. Then having pressed Windows plus R, this is going to come up. Now the next thing you want to do is to simply type in this particular command key right here, msconfig. When you type in it in this particular column right here, simply click on OK. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to boot, and it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on advanced, and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to come to the number of processor. It's take you right here. Then from here, simply click on here and choose the highest number of processor you have on your PC. As at the time of making this video, the highest number of processor I have on this PC is 2. So I'm going to simply click on 2. Then having selected it, then click on OK. Boom, you have done. So basically, your Windows PC is going to be more faster than ever before. It's as simple as that. So I hope you really got value from this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.